Hello everyone. So as promised, here I have implemented the grass system into the WorldGen plugin that we have been worked on. So the WorldGen plugin, if you don't know what it is an infinite terrain generation system that generates the terrain in runtime. So as you go, no matter where you go, there will be terrain. So here we already worked on the WorldEngine, that is previously, but this is an improved system on that. So yeah, let me show the grass now, because I have already introduced all of the elements that we have worked on. So here, let me stop. So we don't see any terrain. That's because it's generated in runtime. And here, this world streaming manager actor, this is where all the settings related to the world generation is stored. So here you see now this new section. So this foliage was already there. Here you can assign foliages, but the difference between foliage and grass is foliage is implemented with hierarchically instanced static meshes, and the grass is using just instanced static meshes because it's small and we only need to see them in close range. So because of that, the trade-off is better, and we have a large number of instances with relatively lower performance cost. So yeah, so the way you do that is you can create a data asset and then just this WorldGen grass asset like this. Then after that, here you can add a mesh and you have all the usual parameters: enable, disable collisions, grass radius. So yeah, let me show that with this existing one here. So the grass radius is around the player how long we should see this grass, this point radius. So you can control this to achieve the desired look. And this grass resolution means scatter grid size for the grass type. Higher means, of course, higher density. Low means lower density. And I think all other parameters are self-explanatory, so I don't think I need to go through them. And not just that, the grass output is filtered through the biome. Here we can see the grass, rock, snow, beach, biomes that relates to different types of biomes that we have in our map. So here now now you can see. So if I reduce this resolution, let me do it 1 to 8, you should see lower density. The density is lowered now. So yeah, this is what we add in this new update. And another option is, if you don't really need grass, here you can just completely cut it off here. So if you do that, you wouldn't see any grass on the world. See, no grass at all. And you still have foliage, but if you want to remove that too, you can use this. Disable foliage. So don't worry about this floating initially. That's not related to the landscape system. So yeah, thanks for watching. As always, updated project files will be available in Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you are interested in creating a system similar to this by yourself, please refer to this UnrealEngine 5 runtime terrain generation. Here I have explained things from scratch and implemented, so you will get a good idea how things are implemented. So yeah, thanks again. Goodbye.